I don't know why people are quarreling with the law of a man. Igbo is Nigeria's problem. Everybody knows that. So don't quarrel with him. Even in the Trouble with Nigeria by Chinua Achebe, there's a chapter called the Igbo problem. So Igbo is Nigeria's problem. The only thing that is baffling is that Nigeria knows that Igbo is their problem, but they won't let the Igbo to go and have their freedom. Anyway, in Igbo, we say, if you're holding somebody to the ground, they're not going anywhere, you yourself will be on the ground. That's the only way that person will remain on the ground. When my friend, Father Emefina, gave me his work to edit, after editing it, I gave it the title, In Biafra, Africa Died, because the day Biafra was held down, that was the day Africa was held down. But people do not understand it. But maybe you go and read the book and understand why I gave you the title, In Biafra, Africa Died. So if Nigeria, or let me say Nigerians, other Nigerians, if they really want to make progress, they should lend their voice to that of Ayodele and call on Nigeria, the powers that be, the international community, those who can make it happen, to allow the Igbo have their own nation, independent nation, their own sovereignty. That's all we are asking for. That's what Nnamdi Kanu is asking for. That's why he said, allow Bikon, Hapurana Nnamdi. Hapurana Nnamdi. Nnamdi understands what I just explained now, that in fact that Nigeria will make better progress if the Igbo are allowed to go. Nigeria will develop. I'm not going to stay here and start explaining everything, but the truth is that Nigeria will develop, and all those the masters who are helping Nigeria, I mean, of course, the stooges, to hold the Igbo down. Now they understand exactly, what they are doing. So Nnamdi understands that. That's why he's fighting for the freedom of the Igbo. It is his love for the common man, the common Fulani, the common Hausa, the common Yoruba, the common Efik, the common man, the common black man. That is what Nnamdi is fighting for. But on the face of it, you think that, I'm just a redentist. You elites are the ones, you are being used by the powers that be to keep ordinary people down. Look at what is going on in the north. This is exactly what you people wanted to achieve by not educating the children, so that you can make use of them to cause mayhem, terrorism, banditry everywhere. Allow the Igbo to go, so that there will be peace. Igbo is Nigeria's problem. I agree with that man. Allow the Igbo to go. No,